Yo, yo, yo. Look how beautiful it is outside today. Woo! We're starting this new episode off great. Yes, beautiful day. Anyways, made some headway on the Plymouth. It's looking good, but I'm gonna be working on this one. This is a 63 Galaxie 500 XL. Yes, it's extra large, no doubt. Got the Kragers on it. But I've been working really hard on this one. It came in. All of them are more than what they think they are. They had prior work. I'm making this one short and sweet. Today, I'm gonna block out these last, hopefully, primer spots I got all around the car. Pull the top, wash it, rebag it, pull it in the booth, base coat, clear it, be done with it. So bear with me. We're gonna dive into this thing and quick, easy here. All right, y'all, the wife just stat gunned it and we are going to seal it, base it, clear it. So we got it all taped up, wheels bagged, taillight pockets, exhaust. This thing's ready for some sealer, so let's dive into it. Alright, y'all, so I'm just doing a real light dust on this thing first to make sure it doesn't react at all. I don't trust this paint, I don't trust this car. It was supposed to come in as a super simple one, and this thing's a nightmare. It has Bondo all over it. They used the red spot putty, it looks like, and that stuff was soft. There's places the paint was soft, so I'm doing a real light dust, letting this tack up on it, and then I'll hit it real heavy. So that's what's going on here. Alright, so that's a quick flash to show a quick run all the way around it. One real nice mist. I didn't want to lay it on heavy and get it going crazy on me. I got enough to start in on my second pass, so let's start on in on it. Catch y'all when it's finished. Alright, there it is. We've got our color made. Car is sealed. Looking pretty dang good. To be honest, looking a whole lot better than I expected. Even after countless hours, 30, 40, 50, 60 hours, however many hours I got into this thing trying to get it straight, it actually came out pretty dang straight. So I am really happy with it overall. Like I've said, came in as a basic paint job, turned into a nightmare. So that's generally how they go, but let's get into basing this thing. Teamwork makes the dream work, people. Laying out pretty dang good, I'd say. I'm real happy with it. This blue's covering amazing. I'm gonna have to just do 2 coats of blue onto our clear coat. So we'll finish out this side and then see what clear coat brings. Alright. This thing's actually going pretty good. My stomach hasn't hurt or nothing. I've just been lollygagging along, and look at it. It's getting covered. It does look splotchy because it is drying. Obviously, the flash time on this base coat's pretty quick. It's what, mid-60s outside right now? Mid-60s, so temperature's real nice for a medium. I actually can't complain. Turquoise metallic or something's the paint name. Yeah, Caribbean turquoise green. Ford MO556. So, it's the factory color. The other color that they had sprayed on this thing, it had like, I don't even know what the color was. It had pearls and metallics and flakes and everything. You named it, it was in it, it seemed like. So it definitely wasn't the original color. This is super close to the original color. I tried to get it close to the color that was on the car as well, so kind of like an in-between. I added some pearl to this one, some blues to some greens, added a little bit of white, I added some metallic, so I kind of tried to mimic it back to what they had on it. And I think it'll be real close with the clear coat. I might add a little blue and green pearl in the clear coat just to kind of spam, hit it a little bit. But I think it's there. We're gonna let this thing flash a couple minutes. Then we're gonna come in, base it the second time, clear it. So we'll catch y'all on the clear coat stage. We're down to 1 cup. I'm out of PPS. It's Sunday, late as all get up. I think it's like 11 o'clock or close to, but so we're cruising along with 1 cup. We're gonna let this flash up, and then I've got a few small cups, so I think I'm gonna make up a small cup just so I got a backup, you know. So when this one goes empty, I don't necessarily have to stop. I'll at least have 6 ounces that I can keep cruising with while the wife makes up my others. So shout out to her. She's a badass down here with me 7 days a week if I need it. So trying to give her the day off, but this car needed painted, so no days off. You know how that goes. Anyways, there it is. First pass. I'll catch y'all when this thing's painted and cleared and all finished. All right, y'all. Not too shabby. Pretty happy with the old Galaxie. Really hard to tell in here right now, but it does have tons of pearls and metallics and all sorts of other things in it. Let's see if we can get a little light in here and see if we can't see something with it. There you guys go, a little something something there. I think it's got a little bit. You can see it under the light. We'll get this thing outside and see what it looks like. But overall it's shot. I still have to shoot the hood and the valence, but other than that, we're going home. It's like 11, a little after 11, so not too bad for a quick Sunday job. Let's get out of here and shoot the hood. Came out pretty all right. So I got the hood and the bonnet left to do, and then we can start putting this thing back together. But overall, Galaxie's done. We may end up actually jamming this thing, so kind of waiting to see what we got going on there. But overall, it's done, and we'll catch y'all when the hood and all the fun stuff's back on. Check it out, y'all. We're waiting for this chrome piece yet, but the Galaxie is all done. The hood does fit. I just got it up right now. Every day we pull this thing outside, we gotta pour a little gas down the carburetor. It has some nasty old rotten gas in it, but we are just waiting for the customer to come pick it up. It is all complete. We got new gaskets for the tail lights. Really just knocked the Galaxie out. Came out real good, really like the color. Overall, real quick, easy, good one. Let me close this hood down, see if it clears. There we go. Boom. So there it is. Just awaiting the customer pickup. He's out of town for a few days. So that's gonna be it on the Galaxie. I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, share, hit the little bell, ding-a-ling-a-ling-a-ling, and we will catch y'all on the next episode. Later.